Welcome back, real estate enthusiasts. In our quest to navigate the dynamic world of rental property investments, we've uncovered an invaluable resource for you today. Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, and I help rental property owners achieve higher return on investment utilizing proven strategies to increase and stabilize their rental income. Here, we're going to take it a step further and explore a comprehensive step-by-step approach to unlocking the profit potential of analyzing rental properties in the 2023 market. Let's dive right in. The first step is to conduct thorough market research. To conduct rental property market research, start by analyzing current rental trends, vacancy rates, and projected growth in the area. Consider factors such as demographics, job opportunities, and local amenities. Study comparable rental properties and their rental rates. Utilize online platforms, real estate publications, and local market reports for data. Engage with local experts and real estate professionals for valuable insights. Next, we move on to financial analysis, carefully assessing cash flow, operating expenses, and potential returns. To conduct financial analysis for a rental property, begin by calculating the cash flow. Deduct the property's operating expenses such as property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and management fees from the rental income. Consider vacancy rates and potential rental increases to estimate future cash flow. Next, evaluate the property's potential returns. Calculate the return on investment, ROI, by dividing the annual net income by the property's purchase price or total investment. Additionally, assess other financial metrics like the capitalization rate, cap rate, and the cash-on-cash return. Thoroughly analyzing these factors will help determine the property's profitability and guide informed investment decisions. Once we have a solid financial understanding, we delve into property evaluation. We examine the condition of the property, identify any necessary repairs or renovations, and estimate the associated costs. Additionally, we evaluate the neighborhood, considering factors such as proximity to amenities, schools, and transportation. But that's not all. We'll also discuss risk assessment, understanding legal obligations, and exploring financing options tailored for rental property investments. By following this step-by-step approach, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions and maximize your profit potential in the 2023 rental property market. If you found today's insights valuable and want to dive deeper into this topic, I highly recommend watching our upcoming companion videos, starting with Advanced Strategies for Rental Property Analysis. In that video, we'll explore advanced techniques, case studies, and expert interviews, providing you with even more valuable insights for your real estate investment journey. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of real estate. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative content that will help you unlock your full potential as a real estate investor. Conclusion. Viewers are encouraged to watch the companion video titled Advanced Strategies for Rental Property Analysis to gain additional insights and take their understanding of rental property investments to the next level. To your success. Thanks for watching.